Hey, my name is Galia and this video is for DC Air HVAC LLC, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. So you want to make sure you have enough content here, more than 1500 words, because people love Google love content, and people too, and that also make sure the pictures save in the right way. And what I mean for that, let's check it out. It's see, if it's here will be like keywords, it will be better for you to rank. So right keywords, good pictures, so save in the right way, and a lot of content. It's all good. The second thing I want to talk about is the citation. So if we come here, we can see Google guaranteed ads, then we see normal ads. But now in 2020, a lot of people have ad blockers, so they don't really see this part. And then we have MacPack. So what is citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. And you might asking yourself, what is directory and how do I get in those? It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within their, would it be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on this map here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you want to try to go out and list it in there as well. But you don't want to just stop with whatever they have. You want to add a little bit more, so that way you completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks, and so that's has a lot to do with organic section down here. And you see like Yelp, expertise, and the Home Advisor. So these are all a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. Way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. For example, a link from the pizza shop is not going to be as good for you as let's say another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at this, one of these tools here, I have the Ahrefs. It's called Ahrefs. It's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. I see here you have 15 referring domains. That brings you 46 backlinks, and you see you have 0 keywords and 0 traffic. So just to show you the picture, let's see one of your competitors here. See, they have 713 referring domains. That gives them more than 3,000 backlinks, and they're getting found from more than 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they're getting more than 26,000 people on average to their site each month. So to boost these numbers, it's very doable, and we specialize in this. So that's pretty much it what I had for today, and I hope this video had been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, that would be awesome. Thanks again and have a great day.